If you are battling pain, fatigue, or inflammation, you need to hear this. Hi, I am Dr. Jacobs, and today we're uncovering the hidden dangers in your diet. Did you know that what you eat can trigger inflammation, pain, and fatigue? Studies show that common foods like sugar, refined grains, and even certain oils can wreak havoc on your body. Imagine feeling exhausted and in pain simply because of what's on your plate. But here's the good news. I've developed the ASTR diet, a science-backed, simple approach to healing your body naturally. No complicated rules, just real solutions that work. Research shows that by swapping out these harmful foods, you can reduce inflammation and feel better fast. In my new book, I reveal the ASTR diet in detail. Struggling with pain, fatigue, or inflammation? What if the food you eat is making it worse? Discover how you can transform your health with easy, practical steps. If you're ready to take control of your health and feel better fast, click the link below to get your copy today. Let's start this journey towards a healthier you together.